Our mission, guys, na makatulong kami sa Pilipinas, and we will introduce to you to a company and also to some of our supplement product. And we really appreciate you guys for taking time out of your busy schedule. So meron tayong mga special guests ngayong gabi na to para ma-share nila yung story nila and how the product was able to help them. So with that, the company that we're trying to introduce to you guys is ang Yoli. So hindi to si Yolanda yung kapitbahay natin, right? So Yoli comes from the rooted in Aztec culture, which is to live. So buhay siya. So yun ang ibig sabihin ng Yoli. So we believe that the true transformation extend beyond just the physical, embracing emotional and financial well-being. So kung interesado kayo sa business side of it, we have that one also on. We will discuss that one. And we offer holistic wellness supplements, like I said, sustainable lifestyle solution, a dynamic community experience, and in
Tabi-tabi na yan, tabi na po siya.
platform. Okay, so next, like I said, guys, ang mission namin, we transform lives. So yun talaga ang mantra namin, makatulong kami, and that's one of the reason na umuwi talaga ako sa Pilipinas. I just came back here a couple of days ago. I spent isang buwan dyan sa Pilipinas to really share and pay it forward sa mga kababayan namin. No? We transform lives physically, emotionally, and financially. So our company, guys, is wrapped with an amazing culture. Yung tinatawag namin na BLP, which stands for Belongingness, Love, and Purpose. So naniniwala kami na joining a fun and vibrant community of people and making a difference in our lives is very important. And we know yung pagmamahal o yung love, doesn't matter kung ano yung background ng tao. This is part of our culture, guys. We respect each other's opinion and whatnot. So welcome kayo sa community namin. And of course, yung purpose namin is to provide a path of meaning and purpose for anyone who joins us in sharing Yoli. Kasi alam natin na we need to have some purpose bigger than ourselves. So we truly believe on that three acronym namin na belongingness, love, and purpose. All right, so in terms of product, guys, rest assured na magugustuhan niyo itong produkto namin kasi hindi kami synthetic. We don't alter what's given in nature. Kung iisipin natin, kung ang goal natin is to be healthy, you need to stay closer sa nature. The moment na inumpisahan mo na yung pagpaprocess, whatever yung nilalagay mo na fertilizer, nasisira na yung nature. So kami sa Yoli, we truly preserve yung product namin made from vital whole plants, proteins, and minerals. And that's why you can really get a good result on this one kasi tulad ng sabi ko, nature kami. Hindi natin ina-alter yun. Tinutulungan lang natin yung katawan na bigyan natin ng tamang nutrients para makapag-function siya. So, we protect the true nature of life in our products. So, ang namin, guys, ang battle cry namin in terms of product is from nature to powder to body. So what it means, halimbawa, yung isang prutas, kukunin namin sa puno. Okay, yung prutas na kinukunan namin is talagang organic siya. We don't use chemicals and whatnot. We pick it from the tree para preserve siya, presko siya. Tapos ginagamit namin yung freeze drying technology. It's an expensive way to preserve the nutrients. So para siya nagkakaroon siya ng cryo and then pinapowder namin. So pag ginawa mo yung freeze dry, intact na intact yung mga nutrition ng produkto mo. Yung gulay, ng prutas, so yan. Tapos ipapowder namin para pag nilagay mo na siya sa tubig, ma-activate mo siya, nandoon pa rin yun, buhay na buhay yung mga nutrients and you can consume it and yung body mo ang makikinabang. Okay? That's how the process works. Now, let me talk about this article. Time Magazine came out with this article, Why Your DNA Isn't Your Destiny. Nako, napaka-common natin yan sa mga Pilipino, no? Parati nating sinasabi na, kaya ako mataba, may sakit ako, ganito, ganyan, kasi nasa lahi namin. Now, there's some truth to that, pero according to their study, only 25% lang ang genetic. Now, here's the good news, guys. 75% lifestyle. So, meaning, malaki yung percentage na kaya nating kontrolin yung nangyayari sa kalusugan natin kasi 75% lifestyle related siya. No, even though may genetics siya, pero isipin mo guys, 75%, ang laking porsyento niyan. No, dito sa Amerika, 70% ng mga namamatay sa amin dito each year is dahil sa chronic diseases. May mga sakit-sakit na yan. So back in 2012, meron silang study na 50% sa US population has at least one diagnostic chronic illness, tsaka 25% yung may dalawang chronic illnesses. So lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino, no? I seen it, sa pamilya ko, sa mga kaibigan ko. I lost a lot of young friends and family members, dahil nga sa ano na to, sa issue na to, yung lifestyle natin and how we eat. Tayo mga Pilipino, mahilig tayo sa sarap na pagkain, no? Minsan, we don't pay attention how we cook it, and basta't masarap siya, yung panglasa natin. Nung umuwi nga ako just recently, I was really surprised, may mga only rice na. Kumain ako dun sa isang restaurant sa SM, may mga nakasikbit na nakaldero sa gilid ng server. Bigay ng rice. Sabi ko, wow. So the saddest thing, guys, meron tayong mga statistic na in every 3 adults, isa yung obese and 1 in every 5 children. For me, I don't know about you, that's very alarming. And I've been part of the statistics ng ganyan. I'll tell you later yung story ko. Pero I don't want to be part of the statistics anymore, kaya I took care of my health. Ngayon, this is a growing problem natin, yung obesity and overweight. Kasi dahil nga sa pagkain, kita natin yung ang Pilipinas ngayon gumagaya sa Western. Dami nating fast food. Nagsusulputan yan, kaliwat kanan yung mga kainan. And the cheaper, lalo na pag mahirap yung ekonomiya, guys, mas malaki ang damage ng mga issue natin sa health kasi ang tao bumibili ng murang pagkain dahil sa hirap ng ekonomiya. So alam natin, pag mura, anong doon? Hindi siya masyado healthy. Kakain ka na lang parati ng fishbowl, ng kwek-kwek, or whatever is it. I'm not saying na you don't have to eat those, pero kung yun na lang kakainin mo, talagang tatamaan ka sa sakit. Then, here's another thing. Yung food supply natin, guys, is changing. Kasi alam natin, yung nutrients ng mga tanim, ng mga prutas, ng mga gulay, nagdidepende sa lupa yan. Pag yung lupa mo wala ng nutrients, anong i-absorb ng mga prutas, ng mga gulay? Wala din. Kasi bakit kamo? A lot of the farmers right now are implementing yung mga fertilizers, para maganda tignan yung mga prutas nila, mga gulay nila, ang gaganda tignan. May pati nga yung mga ano tawag nito, yung mga insekto ayaw galawin kasi ang daming chemicals. O di babagsak ngayon yung chemical sa lupa. Anong nangyayari sa lupa? So that's what happened, guys. Makikita mo yung mineral, vitamin and mineral content has gone down significantly sa mga kinakain natin. Doesn't mean maganda siya tignan, nutritious yung produkto mo, hindi na siya. And here's the thing. Ito, trivia tayo. Balikan natin yung mga nakaraan. In 1997, guys, I did my own research on this one. The Philippine government come out with TAMA. TAMA, tama, di ba? So, it means yung Traditional and Alternative Medicine Act. So, nilabas ni Senator Juan Flavier. Sino yung nakakakilala kay Juan Flavier? Yung iodized salt. Dinidate natin yung mga may mga OGs dito. So, sinign up nila to, guys, into law to improve the quality and delivery of healthcare services sa mga Pilipino, developing traditional and alternative medicine methods, integrating them into existing national healthcare system. So, kaya bumukas yan, guys. Makikita mo na sila, Dr. Atoy, yung mga sumusunod sa mga alternative doctors natin, nakukombine ngayon yung Western medicine sa traditional medicine. Kaya lumalakas yung mga supplements natin. Kaya mapansin nyo sa Pilipinas, ang daming nagsusulputan na mga supplements. Dahil dito, guys, inire-recognize ng gobyerno na kailangan natin ng supplements. So, hindi siya illegal. Basta tama lang yung proseso ng pag-aano ng produkto. So here comes yung Yoli Better Body System. So we created our own system and how we can help yung katawan ng mga tao. Katulad sa atin mga Pilipino, guys. Kaya very passionate ako dito kasi as nakita ko na sa pamilya ko, ilan yung mga nagkakaroon ng health issues ngayon. Now, this Yoli Better Body System, guys, ito yung pinaka main system namin how mai-reset natin yung katawan natin. No? is a unique plan created to jumpstart your body into healthier habits. Again, habits, guys. So hindi ito siya fad, hindi ito diet, it's a lifestyle. A full lifestyle program thoughtfully developed to provide optimal nutrition and sustainable result. So itong maganda sa BBS, nagkino-combine namin yung high quality nutrition of products, and we will discuss those products, with an easy to follow meal plan that will help you lose weight and gain health for both your body and mind. And you can do it in all without stresses of counting calories, excessive exercise, and spending a lot of money in depriving yourself with foods you love. So, ang ganda ng guys, ng konsepto ng ginawa namin. Kaya system siya. Nakasistema siya. All you need to do, sundin nyo na lang yung program. So ngayon, let me play this quick video. Yeah.
If you've been trying to lose weight with little to no success, chances are you're on a diet. The problem isn't you, it's that diets simply do not work. Are you lacking energy or having trouble sleeping? It's all part of the same problem. Stop setting weight loss goals and counting calories. Transform your lifestyle instead with the right system and support. For over 12 years, the Yoli Better Body System has had proven success helping countless people lose weight. Keep it off and feel good about life again. In fact, with the Better Body System, you can lose up to 7 pounds or more in your first 7 days.
You know how that feeling where you feel like a fully charged battery? That's exactly how I felt. I felt so light, I was ready to jump out of bed.
The secret is in the science, but it's not rocket science. It's simply about eating the foods you love, combined with healthy products that taste great. Products that nourish while melting fat, turning your body into its own metabolic fat-burning furnace. What could be easier or more convenient? Yoli was created from a desire to be true to you. It started when Yoli's founders were surprised to discover that many supplements available on the market today do not contain the nutrients they claim. At Yoli, we source ingredients from nature, including whole plants, proteins, minerals, and botanicals, ensuring to protect the true essence of life in every product. Next, we gently process our ingredients to powder and never use high heat or harsh chemicals. We do this so that you get the benefits of nature and deliver the highest quality of ingredients to your body. We formulate our exclusive products into delicious blends you can drink and enjoy every day so that you can always have access to the benefits of nature your body needs to succeed. From nature to powder to body. Nature is life. It's part of the true you. That's the inspiration behind the Yoli Better Body System. Whether your goal is to lose weight, build lean muscle, tone and shape your body, have more energy throughout the day, or simply improve your health, the Yoli Better Body System is designed for you.
The one thing that I loved about the transformation kit is that you got to eat. I love to eat, so that was fantastic that there was a plan that you're supposed to lose weight and still eat at the same time.
My utmost favorite with the transformation kit is the taste. It's delicious. I love it.
And at Yoli, we understand that when starting a life transformation journey, it can be difficult to know where to begin. That's why we created the Better Body System Transformation Kit, a time-tested, step-by-step system combined with superior exclusive products to deliver the results that you want. It was designed to help you take control of your health and transform your life. The Transformation Kit provides everything you need to reach and maintain a healthy weight, establish a healthy body pH, enhance your digestive health, and boost your metabolism. Why is the Yoli Transformation Kit so effective? Here are the 5 flagship products that will help you fast-track your transformation. Start by balancing your body with Alkalite. Providing you with the essential minerals you need to support your body pH levels, our patented pH-enhancing time-release delivery system improves nutrient availability for maximum effectiveness. Alkalite promotes a healthy body pH, reduces inflammation, and reduces excess dietary acidic loads. People often say you should listen to your gut. We believe you should take that literally. Your gut microbiome affects you throughout your entire life. Yoli Pure promotes a healthy balance of bacteria in your digestive tract. Pure contains a scientifically proven strain of probiotics designed to promote healthy digestion, improve beneficial gut bacteria, and supports immune health. Pure also contains our exclusive blend, AlkaSure, important fibers and enzymes to help your body regulate daily. The Yoli Essential Shake, yes, is a delicious way to nourish your body with our exclusive blend, Puroway, a biologically non-GMO active protein derived from grass-fed cows, and Lean Immune, a blend of whole plants and superfruit like broccoli, pomegranate, carrots, spinach, mango seed, acai, and olive leaf. Yes provides essential amino acids, builds lean muscle mass, and supports healthy weight loss. Passion gives you clean energy from green plants flavored with whole fruit powders and a touch of all-natural zero-sugar sweetener. Our exclusive blend Thermo-G uses carefully selected ingredients to stimulate metabolic activity, provide peak energy, better endurance, more stamina, and a healthier cognitive function. It's the best way to fuel your body with clean energy. Need a little help reaching your goal weight? Resolve contains phytofiber, an exclusive blend that promotes a feeling of fullness. With powerful plant-based ingredients like apple cider vinegar powder, apple fiber, and cayenne fruit, Resolve helps you resist those tasty temptations. All of these essential Yoli products are conveniently packaged in your transformation kit to make it easy for you to melt body fat and trim those unwanted inches. Now you can sculpt and tone your body without strenuous exercise and without starving yourself. It's a simple way for you to start living life again without the guilt and shame associated with what you eat and don't eat. And our Yoli community is here to support you every step of the way. Unified in the purpose of transforming lives, we invite you to join our community of loving and caring people committed to helping you love your body and your life.
What I love about a transformation kit is the weight loss. I have dealt with chronic back pain for years. I was told to lose weight, and I've tried every program I can imagine, and nothing worked. With the transformation kit, I felt lighter, I felt stronger, and that led to most of my pain going away.
The first time I did the transformation kit, I loved how easy it was to follow the plan. I didn't have to think about anything.
We found that those who follow our Better Body system have cut their monthly grocery bills and cost of eating out by up to 50%. That's going to cover the entire cost of your transformation kit. And if you follow Yoli's simple plan for 28 days and don't love your results, we will give you your money back, no questions asked. So, say goodbye to the dreadful diet and transform your life instead with the Yoli Better Body System Transformation Kit that has proven itself for over 12 years now with real results for real people. Why not experience what it means to really live with Yoli? Feel what it's like to tap into the abundance of nature. Let us help bring life to your body and refresh your mind. Yoli means life. We want to help you come to life. Talk to someone you know who has already transformed their life with Yoli, or to the person who shared this life-changing video with you. Start your transformation today.
Alright, so yun yung pinakamagandang video natin. Anyway, just to give you a quick recap dito sa video, guys. So yung transformation kit namin or yung 28-day Better Body System is really addressing the pillars of health. Kumbaga, ito yung haligi ng kalusugan natin. Kasi kung ang goal mo is maging healthy talaga, doesn't matter kung ano yung pinagagawa mo. Pag hindi mo tinatamaan yung pundasyon, yung haligi ng kalusugan mo, hindi mo makukuha yung optimal health na inaasam mo. So, unang-una sa lahat, yung body pH mo, kailangan ma-address mo yung body pH mo. Because anything acidic, guys, dyan nagtatribe yung mga sakit natin. Dapat magiging alkalized yan. And we have product for that. Yung nakita nyo sa video. And then another pillars, guys, yung gut health and microbiome. Yung digestive system mo. Lahat nangyayari sa tiyan. Doon yung pag-breakdown ng pagkain mo, absorption sa excretion. So dapat healthy yung gut mo. Yung pure namin, yun yung nagdadala, ang pinakabida dyan na may probiotic and prebiotic. And of course, kailangan mo i-address yung oxidative stress kasi yun ang nagkukos ng inflammation. And then detoxification, guys, yung pure, yung namin, tsaka yung resolve, it help with the detox. So mild lang siya to cleanse your body kasi kung kailangan mo mag-take in ng magandang nutrients, hindi mo naman na ilalabas yung basura, wala ding kwenta. Kumbaga, kung iisipin mo, yung may mga sasakyan, kung mag-oil change ka, lalagyan mo ng bagong oil yung makina ng sasakyan mo, kailangan mo tanggalin muna yung luma. And ganun din yung katawan natin. And you need to provide a good energy as one of the pillars para yung katawan mo ma-excitement. But ang ginagamit namin, guys, natural energy. We don't use any, tawag dito, yung mga harms ingredients. And of course, sufficient and micronutrients. Importante yon, yung mga vitamins, yung minerals. And, we have doctors na, will testify or will share this tonight kasi alam nila itong mga nutrients eh. And then yung blood sugar support mo, kailangan hindi nag-i-spike. So we don't use any sugar, we use natural sweetener. And of course, yung pinakalas, yung neuroendocrine and immune health mo. Kailangan mo matulungan yung katawan mo. If you do that, you will achieve optimal health. Okay, so dito pumapasok yung transformation kit natin. It's a 28-day program. So ito yung pinaka-screenshot guys, kung gusto niyo tignan, ano bang purpose ng each product ng Yoli. Yung sinabi ko kanina, yung body pH, alkalit ang tumutulong dyan. Kasi kailangan yung manormalize yung pH mo, yung pure sa gut, yung resolve, hunger and easily, yung satiety mo na kailangan hindi ka na nagugutom. Then of course, yung passion, it helps you turn your body into fat burning machine. And we have a clean protein. Itong protein powder shake namin guys, hindi lang to protein. Meron itong mga fruits and vegetables at mayroong malunggay. Kung familiar tayo sa malunggay, di ba alam natin yung malunggay, nandiyan dyan yan, kasama yan. Hindi yan protein lang na matitake mo. It's a whole nutritious meal na pwede mong gamitin siya as a meal replacement also. So, again, just to highlight, yung pinaka-flagship product namin is yung Alkalit. So, we have an amazing science behind this product, guys. It reduced 50% sa acidity in just 1 week, according to their study, and it supports yung healthy pH balance natin. Age removal of acidic waste, talaga maganda siya. Kahit sa mga muscle recovery mo, di ba? Pag nag-workout ka, sumasakit yung katawan mo, ang sinasabi nila, accumulation of lactic acid. Acid yan. So pag nag-alkalit kayo, guys, napa-flush out natin yan. And of course, here's some of the amazing things. Registered siya as NDI, New Dietary Ingredient sa FDA dito sa Amerika. At meron din kaming 8 patents on file dito sa US. And we have 27 structured function claims on file with the FDA. So guys, hands down, tong produkto na to, amazing. It's all natural siya. At kami lang gumagawa niyan. And actually, yung FDA sa Amerika, they certified this one as GRAS, G-R-A-S. So meaning, generally regarded as safe yung product. Kahit na tinignan nila yung mga high doses, wala siyang toxicity and whatnot. So, this is the product, guys, that you can rely on. And that's why we formulated the whole transformation kit. At nakikita nyo dito sa screen nyo, ang dami namin mga seal of approval. Approved na kami sa Health Canada, FDA sa Pilipinas. Lahat ng produkto namin dumaan sa FDA sa Pilipinas. 100% natural, hormone-free, pesticide-free. So, rest assured guys na yung binili yung produkto, maganda. And here's the good thing. We offer 30-day money-back guarantee. Pag hindi mo nagustuhan, no question asked, tawagan niyo yung customer service, the company na will send your money back. But so far, wala pa akong nakikitang nagbabalik kasi alam nila the product works. Alright? And then on top of that, meron kami isang product guys. Actually, narinig ko lang kay Dr. Weng, available para to ng buy one, get one sa corporate office natin sa Manila, yung collagen. Kita niyo yung kutis natin, nakakabata siya. This is a high full spectrum collagen. Premium siya guys. Alam ko maraming collagen in the market, but believe me, not all collagen are created equal. So dito nakaka-support siya sa healthy skin and nails mo, yung support ng cell membrane and bone formation. So maganda siya na product. Siya tasteless siya na powder, i-scoop mo lang, pwede mo siyang ihalo sa pagkain, sa mga drinks mo. And itong full spectrum namin guys, meron siyang type 1, type 2, 3, 5, and 10. And then mayroon din kami MSM. I don't want to go into the science each of these ingredients. Hyaluronic acid, saka may gynostemma siya. In short guys, we take care kung anong kailangan ng katawan natin. And it's all natural. Ito yung purpose ng mga different types kasi most of the collagen sa market, guys, may 3 spectrum lang yan. 1, 2, 3, Pero sa iyo, talagang nilagay namin lahat. Kumpleto sa Ricados to, nakakatulong talaga to. And then, ang result, guys, I'll give you an honest expectation dito. Usually, you will get good results starting in 2 months time mo. Araw-arawin mo siya. Kasi hindi naman to sili na kinagat mo, aanghang ka agad. You need to give your body enough time. So, mapapansin mo yan in 2 months time na sunod-sunod, isang scoop lang. no? Halo mo sa kape mo, halo mo sa juice mo, o saan mo gustong ihalo kasi tasteless siya. So it's very, very effective yung product. And pero yung pinaka-main namin, is really yung transformation kit. So now guys, we have an amazing guest that I would like to bring in. Itong si Jay Mendador is a good friend of mine. I've been working with him extensively in just couple of months lang. Kasama ko siyang nag-travel sa Pilipinas really to pay it forward sa mga kababayan natin. But Jay has a background of, a computer engineer. He is married to a doctor. Doctor din yung guest natin. So si Rowena U. Mendador, dati OB-GYN siya, ngayon nasa medical na siya dito sa Indiana, Fort Wayne. And Jay also owned his retail cellular store. So he's an entrepreneur, but I like to share this gentleman sa success niya, not only on the product and even on the business side. So let me bring in my amazing friend, Mr. Jay Mendador. Bro, take it away, buddy.
Okay, thank you, Chris. Thank you. Good evening sa Pilipinas, no? Yeah, I would like to share my journey in Yoli. So I started this one on the left side. That was 2014 when I joined Yoli first time. And then I see the result because na-try na namin ni Mrs. ko almost every mga diet, mga products, even in the Philippines, meron pa nga yung mga hinahalo, yung parang green something, parang detox. So, ang pinaka-first talaga na gustuhan ko sa Yoli, yung lasa niya. Kasi, of course, mag-ano ka na lang, magte-take ka ng product. So, dapat masarap yung lasa. So, ang nagustuhan ko sa Yoli rin, kasi kain ka ng kain. It's like you have like a 5 meal in a day. So, it's like carb cycling. So, ang sabi ko nga, Mrs., yung join namin balik ni ngayon 2024, kasi alam namin yung product, it really works. So, ang namin, magbabakasyon kami sa Pilipinas. So, at least pag nagbakasyon ka, yung parang hindi ka pipigil talaga sa sa kain mo kasi alam mo na yun na, sabi ko, I will go back to like the 28 days again of transformation kit. Kasi alam ko gigain ako kasi punta ka ng Pilipinas, alam nga naman punta ka ng Pilipinas, mag-shake ka or something, hindi ka kain. So I eat what I want. So mga lechon, ganon. Kasi hindi naman palagi yan eh. So minsan-minsan yan. So I gained weight when I went in the Philippines, like 10 pounds. But after that one, like I arrived Saturday, pagka Monday, nag-start agad ako na day 1. So on the first week, on the 7th day, so I lost like 10 pounds again. So parang bumalik na, nawala na kaagad yung ko. So I really believe in the product. So masarap siya, tsaka hindi diet talaga kasi Yoli will teach you how to do a healthy lifestyle. So lahat ng product we're taking right now, before we don't have yet the collagen, we don't have the lean greens, everything. Now we're taking all of the products with Yoli. So, yun lang. Thank you.
All right, Jay. So, thank you with that, sharing that. Now, ang next natin nga guest natin, guys, okay, let me just go back to sharing my screen. I met her for the very first time, about probably 2 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago, nung pumunta ako ng Quezon City kasi na-introduce sa akin ng isang business partner ko, si Joy Caba dito, kasi magpinsan buo, and then pinadala nga niya sa akin tong yung bios niya. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, sana all. I was really amazed sa mga accomplishment ni Dr. Rowena Rubinho, so now to give you a quick background sa kanya, guys, she's an OB-GYN, born in Manila, so talagang Manileño to. She graduated sa isang prestigious na school natin, yung UST, University of Santo Tomas. Sabi nga Santo Tomas yan daw tawag sa kanila. But anyway, she's been in OB-gynecologist practice for 30 years. May sarili siyang clinic sa Quezon City, and then affiliated siya ng Victor Potenciano Medical Center, which is formerly yung mga taga Manila, Polymedic General Hospital sa Mandaluyong. So, and also he is married to a doctor. She's married to a neurologist, yung kaklase niya dati sa college niya. And they were blessed with 3 children. No? Mga anak nila guys, mga ano din, na mga high achiever din sa school. Si Gio yung panganay, and then si Rika, and then si Aina. No? So ngayon si Dr. Rowena Robinho guys, has been a high achiever sa education niya sa school. Na graduate siya as a cum laude, pati yung husband din niya as a cum laude. But for sure, yung mga anak niya, yun din ang mga achievement ng mga anak niya when she start sharing to me yung mga background nila sa education, kaya napapasana all ako. So they're so high achiever. And in fact, pag nakita natin yung mga ganitong klaseng professional guys, it's so hard for you to think about it na magkaroon sila ng idea, at tingnan nila yung mga ganitong klaseng supplement natin kasi nasa medical nga sila. Na-experience ko yan, no? Minsan matitigas yung ulo natin pag nasa medical tayo kasi like me, no, as a nurse, kasi marami tayong alam eh. But for her, marami siyang mga medical health challenges, kaya ginamit niya yung product. So without any further sa kanya, and not to steal her thunder, so let me bring in Dr. Rowena Robinho. So Doc, feel free to share your screen. Thank you so much for joining us. Okay, let me stop sharing my screen so you can share your screen.
All right. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me po? And can you see my slides or my pictures?
Yeah, you're all good, Doc. We can see it.
All right. Magandang gabi po. Una sa lahat, I would like to take this opportunity to thank mentor Chris Medina for inviting me to be your guest for tonight. Also, pinasasalamatan ko ang pinsan kong si Jocelyn Caba, nandito siya ngayon, for introducing me to Yoli. I should have done this many years ago. Dapat inunahan ko pa si Joy. This is a very prestigious moment for me kasi na-transform ang buhay ko. All right, the first picture shows Joy and her husband and my daughter. This was in 2017 when Joy first introduced me to Yoli. Ito po ay selebrasyon ng graduation ng anak ko, pero makikita nyo naman na kahit dito sa selebrasyon na to, nakafocus yung Yoli logo. Binilugan ko yan para kitang-kita. At that time, when Joy introduced me to Yoli, sabi ko, ayaw, may gamot akong iniinom, di ako naniniwala dyan. Pero look at me, may gamot akong iniinom, pero ang sexy ko. Nagsisimula ng lumobo ang aking katawan. Okay, I come from a family of blessed with genetics of many diseases. Name it, we have it. May diabetes kami, may hyperthyroidism, hyperuricemia, hypercholesterolemia, cancer. Lahat po nasa dugo namin. My mother was a survivor of breast cancer, but yung diabetes talaga ang nagpa-down sa kanya. In 2019, my diabetic mother had a stroke. She had several ones actually, pero itong pinakahuli, dito talaga siya bumigay. For 8 months, we had to bear seeing her hooked to oxygen, tubes in her veins, tubes in her nose, incurring us a huge amount of money to pay for her bills. And not only that, the emotional trauma we had seeing her suffer slowly but surely to death. At that time, I vowed that this will never happen to me or to any of my family members. Joy offered Yoli to me again. Pero sa kakulitan ko at sa katigasan ng ulo, I rejected the offer. Sabi ko, naka-maintenance meds ako, hindi ko kailangan ang Yoli. 2020, pandemic, doctors die one after another. Our doctor friends, actually 5 po yun, namatay nang wala kaming nagawa bilang mga kaibigan niya. I was diabetic then. I was also hypertensive. And alam naman po natin na ang mga pasyente na may comorbidities, sila talaga, they succumb to COVID faster. Akala ko, bilang doktor, alam namin ang gagawin namin. But I, together with my 3 children and my husband, we got hit. Lahat po kami nag-COVID. Pero tuloy ang buhay. Nagte-telemedicine ako to help my patients hanggang bumigay na po talaga ang aking katawan. Umaasa lang at nagpapaligaya sa amin noong mga panahon na yon ang mga sulat na galing sa aming mga mahal sa buhay, sa mga kapatid ko, sa mga pamangkin ko na nagbibigay ng ayuda. Tingnan niyo po itong senaryong ito.
We have ayuda. You're an angel. Hi. Our angels. Bye-bye. Take care. Take care, everybody.
My daughter was talking to them. I was there at the glass panel window, pero hindi ako makapagsalita kasi I was crying already. Sabi ko, ako yung panganay, ako yung doktor, ako yung dapat nag-aalaga sa kanila, pero ako yung inaalagaan nila. So again, I thought of Yoli. Sabi ko, dapat yata nag-Yoli na ako dati to support my health. But then, katigasan ng ulo, sabi nga, doktor ang pinakamatigas ng ulo. No, I will still continue my maintenance meds. No Yoli for now. 2021, I started a pastry and cake online business. Masarap po ako mag-bake, masarap po ako magluto, at higit sa lahat, masarap po akong kumain. Pineapple upside down cake, burnt Basque cheesecake, chocolate chip cookies, mango cheesecake, at kung ano-ano pa. Napakarami ko pong orders noon at sa bawat tikim, sa bawat kain, sa bawat lamon, pataas po ng pataas ang aking timbang, pati na ang aking blood sugar. My eating habits were uncontrollable. I love cooking, I love baking. Ganun na rin ang blood sugar ko. Kung ikukumpara na noong kami ay nagliligawan pa lang ng asawa ko, pat-pat ang tawag sa amin para mga drug addicts. Ngayon, parang kami na po ang mga pusher. I thought of Yoli again. Sabi ko pa rin, doktor ako, hindi ko pa rin kailangan ang Yoli. 2023, wala na. Tumaas na ng tumaas ang aking blood sugar. As my business in cakes grew, ganun din ang katawan ko. Obesity class 2. Nakakahiya man itong aminin, pero sa tuwing magpapayo ka sa pasyente ng health, parang titingnan ka na lang ng pasyente mo, bakit kayo mataba? Di ba? So I started thinking of Yoli again. Joy, nasan ka na? Kailangan ko na ang Yoli. Kung makikita po ninyo, ang fasting blood sugar ko was 15.62. Ito po yung 2021 kasagsagan ng aking cake business. Almost triple ang aking blood sugar. At wala pong nagawa ang aking endocrinologist. Papalit-palit siya ng gamot na ibinibigay sa akin. Muntik na akong mag-insulin. Pero syempre, bilang doktor, ayoko. Matigas ang ulo. Kung babalikan ko, sana naisip ko, balikan ko kaya yung mga katawan ko dati na ang tawag sa akin ay patpat. Ang tawag sa akin ay maganda. Ang tawag sa akin ay sexy. Ang tawag sa akin ay bubbly. At tawag sa akin ay glamorous. Mga pangarap ng nakaraan, pero kaya ko pang balikan. So in 2024, nang dumalaw po muli ang aking pinsan na si Joy, I made a big decision. I went to YEC, signed up, and became a member of Yoli. Sa unang pagkakataon po, nawala ang aking GERD o yung tinatawag na hyperacidity or gastroesophageal reflux. Matindi po yun. Talagang gumigising ako ng madaling araw para lang sumuka dahil sa aking GERD. And then, kung makikita nyo, no February 2024, sa tulong ng aking endocrinologist, 7.4 ang level ng blood sugar ko. Pero on the day 27 lang ng BBS, for the first time, my blood sugar became 5.1. Yoli lang. At ang kanilang meal plan, ang kanilang sistema, yun lang ang nagpababa ng aking blood sugar. Maybe because of the will and determination na rin. I joined the summer BBR challenge and kung titingnan ninyo, amazing, nasa pagpapayat ko, nagna-number 2 pa ako nung week 3. Pero meron ding number 3. Ay, hindi ko maintindihan yan kung ano talaga ako, kung number 2 or number 3. Ang importante, win or lose sa contest na ito, ako ang winner sa tingin ko because Yoli, BBS transformed my life. Tingnan nyo po ang video na to. Ginawa kong katawa-tawa ang sarili ko sa sarili kong timeline, but I don't care because I want to share to my friends how Yoli transformed my life. Yung paborito kong fuchsia shorts, baka hindi ko na maisuot, baka maipamana ko na sa iba. So ito ngayon po ang itsura ko, day 26 of Yoli. And ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to say, after 28 days of my transformation, ayan na po ako ngayon. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
All right. So thank you so much, Doc, So, pinaiyak mo ako niyan, Sabi mo sa akin, hindi mo na ako iyak. Oh my goodness. Ito yung guys, ito yung mga moment of story. I've been with this company for 15 years. Nakala ko, nalagpasan ko na itong mga ganitong klase. But once you hear a story like this one, very touching. And I hear that one, hundreds and hundreds of story like that. But it become more personal kasi na-meet ko nga si Doktora. And yeah, so guys, we're not trying to claim anything in Yoli na it will cure siya. Pero yung science talaga, naniniwala ako na dinesign ng Diyos yung katawan natin para maging healthy. Gawin lang natin, bigyan lang natin ng tamang nutrients para mag-function siya. So that's what we're doing. We have some amazing product and guys, we have a medical doctors getting some result. But again, yung katawan natin magkaiba-iba tayo. So now let me tell a little bit about myself. Kanina pa akong kwento ng kwento but hindi ko pinakilala ng sarili ko. But anyway, nandito ako sa Jacksonville, Florida. I was born in Quezon City, tulad ni Doc Weng, pero lumaki ako sa Davao, kaya Bisaya na ako ngayon, and we immigrated sa United States in 2002. So matagal-tagal na ako dito sa Amerika, you know what I mean? So I'm married to Rose, ito yung pamilya ko. She's also a registered nurse. By the way, pareho kami mga registered nurses, kaya nakapunta kami ng Amerika in 2002. So yung pamilya ko, as you can see, we are blessed with 3 children. Meron na kaming apo, itong si Christian married to Vera, she's an American. Kaya meron kaming mistisa na apo, si Avery. And CJ is taking up nursing. Sumusunod sa yapak namin. She'll be done nursing in next year. And then we have Reyna. Ito yung oops baby namin. Nung nag-retire kami, we are blessed with a new daughter. So we're happy kasi balik na naman sa uno. Ngayon, hatid sundo sa school. Good timing ngayon kasi summer. So anyway, as you can see in my picture, guys, I've been in my registered nurse life since pero nagkaroon din ako ng venture in entrepreneurship, kaya nang nagtayo kami ng mga medical supplies and equipment company back sa Pilipinas, and if you have a company, guys, na mga ganyan traditional, yung first 5 years is very challenging, and that's one of the reason na nag-migrate kami ni Mrs. ko with the kids noong 2002 kasi nagkaroon ng challenge yung company namin. Though we don't give it up, naka-recover yung company, pero nandoon na yung spirit ko na being an entrepreneur. Okay? And just like si Doc, nakita ko yung problema ko sa health, lalo na sa Amerika. Lahat ng serving ng pagkain dito malalaki, kaya tumaba ako. As you can see dito sa black and white picture ko, I was in my heaviest weight na 190 pounds. Ano lang yung height ko, I'm 5'4". And then on top of that, alam naman natin guys, pag lumalaki ka, kasama na dun sa package yung diabetes, cholesterol. I have those. Nakainom na ako ng gamot na mga for cholesterol at hypertension. And it started to bother me kasi maliliit pa yung mga bata. And dun yung time na na-introduce ako sa Yoli. And in 3 months time, nag-loss ako katulad kay Dr. Weng, but not compared to her. 32 pounds yung na-lose ko. Then ang ganda ng laboratory ko. Meron din akong katulad sa kanya, no? Mga before and after na lab works ko. So doon ako na-amaze sa product. And when I see that, kasi being an entrepreneur, nakita ko yung business side ko. Nakita ko, paano ko ba gawing negosyo to? And then eventually I found some people na nagturo sa akin how to run the business in the right way. And then inintroduce ko to sa mga friends ko, sila Jen Baitan, makikita niyo guys, no? Just sa picture pa lang, alam niyo na nag-work yung product Lalo na pag mga kaibigan mo, alam mo yan sila Tapos ito lang yan, nag-share sila Melba Laksamana, and then meron kami mga bagong friends na like sila Manuel Paro na nagkaroon ng mga skin psoriasis na natutulungan talaga yung health nila. So doon ko nakita yung business side na kaya all I need na sinabi ko sa mga tao na to, tinuruan ko sila mag-post sa Facebook na katulad ng ginagawa ni Dr. Weng, sinishare lang nila na even without mentioning Yoli. Nagpapasalamat na sila na, help me thank Chris for introducing me to this program. Nag-lose ako ng ganitong weight. Thank you so much, Chris. Yun lang yung mga post nila, guys. Eventually, nagkakaroon ng mga referrals sa akin. Chris, ano yung tinintroduce mo kay Jen? Sa kay Melba, bakit sila nagsisipayatan? Ano yan? Doon ko nakita yung business side. I start learning how to market using social media, tsaka yung face-to-face. Awa ng Diyos, nagkaroon kami ng magandang result. So ito naman si Jan Caba, ito yung husband ng first cousin ni tawag nito ni Doc Weng. Kaya nakita na niya yung result na it works. Si Jan nag-loss siya ng 80 pounds. Nandito yan sa amin sa Florida. So, so we're good friends, but again, it took us just like kay Dr. Weng, 3 years to convince him to try the product. Pero nung nagkaroon na siya ng maraming health issue, sipap na yan siya pag natutulog siya. So tingnan nyo guys, 80 pounds, can you imagine? And this guy has been doing a lot of athletic, activities right now. Nagbabike na siya, nagmamarathon na siya. So the change of the lifestyle, at yun ang gusto ko. Pag nakita mo yung ganun, it really, you cannot help but natutuwa ka, tignan yung mga tao, lalo na yung kapwa Pilipino mo. So with that guys, when I start engaging in the business, I was really able to do it, big, in less than 2 years nakapag-retire ako sa nursing. I've been doing Yoli full time. And as you can see in this picture, I get a lot of accolades from luxury cars and being interviewed to some of the local magazine. But for me, ano yung achievement ko is just the repercussion or byproduct ng pagtulong ng tao. Yun ang gusto ko dito guys. Kaya enjoy na enjoy ako dito sa ginagawa ko. I become so passionate. Kung naririnig mo yung story like si Dr. Weng, itong mga sinishare ko guys, sila Jay Mendador, yun yung nag-fuel sa passion ko. Yung pera, they come and go. Okay? I'm not naive guys, gusto kong kumita ng pera. But for me, pagdating ng panahon, pagpikit ng mata mo, yun ang importante. Sino ka, ano yung natulungan mo? Sino yung mga natulungan mo tao? Sa akin, mas importante yan But if you can have both, why not? And that's the reason why na kahit na malayo yung travel ko sa Pilipinas, umuwi ako just to help and pay it forward sa mga kababayan ko. So ngayon, let's transition to the business opportunity, okay? So, dalawa ang klase ng income, guys. And I want you to understand this kasi common sa atin, naghihirap yung mga Pilipino. Yung dalawang income, guys, meron tayong tinatawag na linear income, which is yung common na income natin pag nagtatrabaho tayo sa ibang tao. Bayad ka per ora or sa Pilipinas, araw. Kaya may daily rate tayo. Which is good. There's nothing wrong with that. And then the second income, yung tinatawag natin na recurring income. Yun yung you do it one time, you get paid over and over again. So, if you can have both, mas maganda siya. And this is the kind of income na what Yoli introduced sa atin. yung recurring income kasi consumable yung product natin. But again, looking into the business, guys, I would like to encourage you to tignan niyo yung pillars kasi alam ko hindi naman ang Yoli lang ang may mga nutritional company. There's a lot of company out there. But when you pick a company, tignan niyo yung mga pillars ng negosyo. Ang compensation plan, titignan mo yung timing, ano bang timing ngayon, lalo na kabubukas lang namin nag-relaunch kami sa Pilipinas. Meron bang sistema like kung pinakita ni Doc Weng na kahit na doktor, guys, nabilib sila dun sa system natin, sa product natin kasi madali mo sundin eh. And then of course yung product, the product really work. Mura ba siya? Ano ba siya? Organic ba siya? Natural ba siya? And then of course, yung pinaka-last at pinakauna is leadership and management. Dito ako nagpupuriin ng more time. Kasi doesn't matter gaano kaganda ng lahat ng mga pillars yan, product, system, compensation plan. Pag bulok ang nagpapatakbo ng kumpanya, guys, I'm telling you that it won't gonna last. I've been there. Pag medyo gumaganda na yung kita mo, babaguhin ng mga may-ari yung compensation plan nila, babaguhin nila yung mga product nila, ginagawa nilang chipipay kasi nagtitipid na sila. So guys, I can assure you, yung leadership and management ng Yoli is maganda. They have good integrity, they have good hearts na tumulong sa mga tao. Kaya there's so, ang tawag nito, respect nila sa mga Pilipino. And glad na itong mga may-ari like si Robbie Fender, si Kimi, siya yung CEO, si Robbie, married to Kimi, Cory, isa sa founder natin, and Darren. Naging kaibigan ko to for almost 20 years. Kaya kilala ko sila. At hindi ako mahihiya sa inyo guys, i-introduce sila sa inyo. Kasi I know these people, they have good heart. Actually, they don't need to do Yoli. Now, there are multi-millionaires in other businesses already outside of Yoli. But they love network marketing na kasi they've been in this profession for almost 30 years. Naging katulad nila tayo bago sila naging may-ari ng kumpanya. So they know ano yung mga sentiments natin na mga networkers. And that's why they like it kasi yung mga ordinary na tao nagkakaroon ng chance na magiging successful without any kind of educational background. So I know them, as you can see, inaanak nila yung bunso naming anak, si Reyna. So naging kumare namin si Robbie and Kimi. So, and they're the one who really taught me so much in this profession ng network marketing or direct sales kasi traditional yun ang business ko eh. I've been going up and down sa stage, guys, being recognized. And I'm so happy na na-represent ko yung Pilipinas kasi nung nagbukas ang Pilipinas, guys, I'm the first Filipino who helped the company launch. Do we have some struggle? Of course, marami kaming struggle. Yoli is not perfect. I'm telling you that, it's not a perfect company. We have our own struggle, but it's just better, And then, of course, if you have a good management, pag-usapan niyo yun, nare-resolve ba natin yung problem? When you resolve it, mag-expand ngayon yung company. During pandemic, guys, you'll be surprised na during pandemic, nag-launch kami ng mga bagong product, nag-hire kami ng bagong tao kasi marurunong tong mga founders. Nagsiset aside sila ng income during good days ng Yoli. Kaya even pandemic, mayroon silang reserve. And this is very important sa business. Kung meron kang business acuity, you need to look into the financial stability ng company. Okay? So 15 years na siya, debt-free. We paid over $500 million already in commission. Yung mga nasa 600 plus na yung mga customer na transform namin using the transformation kit, just like Dr. Weng. Okay? Now, like I said, yung business, guys, simple lang yung business. It's just identifying yung problem. At nakita namin yung problema, lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino, kinento na ni Doc sa inyo, si Jay. Now, we have 27 million Filipino are overweight and obese. Ang masama dito kasi, pag lumalaki tayo, kasama din yung mga sakit natin. Right? And then, according to their statistics, guys, yung mga nag-iedad ng 20 to 59 years old, 38.6% guys are obese. May mga sakit na. Ngayon, kung pag na-correct natin yung obesity, marami tayong matutulungan na tao. You know what I mean? So, now, let me tell you guys, for those people who are looking for some extra income, I'm not asking you to quit your job, whatever. This is just do it part-time kasi doon ako nag-umpisa eh. Even si Doktor, kayo masusurprise kay Doktor. Doktor na yan, pareho mag-asawa. They're doing good, but they're looking into the business side of it kasi nakita niya, Chris, sa trabaho ko sa Doktor, linear yung income niya eh. Pag nagtrabaho siya, may income siya. Pag wala siyang trabaho, wala siyang income. At nakita niya yung potential ng Yoli. At of course, yung passion niya, nakita niya nagbibigay sa kanya ng kasayahan, sa kanyang resulta sa sa kalusugan niya. So gusto niya i-pay it forward. On top of that, she can have a chance na to make some extra income. You know? So dito sa Yoli, guys, we simplify yung process. We have 14 ways to make money, but let me share to you yung mga couple of ways paano kayo kumita. So ito yung unang-una na magugustuhan nyo. Yung tinatawag namin na fast start bonus of first order bonus na nagbabayad siya ng weekly. But instead of me na ako yung mag-i-explain, let me play this quick video para malaman nyo paano.
We've made it easier than ever to get paid for sharing Yoli's incredible products. Here's how. Every product carries commissionable volume, or CV. This is a point system that commissions are calculated from. Yoli is now paying a 50% commission on CV for all initial orders. For instance, our transformation kit carries 200 points of commissionable volume. Sell 1 T-kit and you'll earn $100 cash. Sell 2 T-kits with 400 points of CV, you'll earn $200, and so on. This commission applies to initial orders on all Yoli products for all customer types. There's no minimum required and no cap on what you can earn. It's that simple. Even better, we pay commissions every week. There's never been a better time to build your Yoli business.
Alright, so yung unang-una lang yung guys, 50% kaagad. Na ngayon, ito yung mga packages namin. No? Yung transformation kit na sinasabi ni Doc Wang, it costs $15,299. You know, may konting shipping lang siya. Pag yan ang nabenta mo sa customer mo or member, kikita ka kaagad ng 4,800 in pesos. Kasi yung conversion namin sa dollar, guys, is 48 pesos per dollar. You know, and then, of course, pag binili nila yung share pack, which is dalawang transformation kit, ikaw naman na nag-enroll sa kanila, you make 9,600, or doon sa family pack na yung may mga clinic na gusto nila may extra inventory sila ng transformation kit, ang unang kita mo doon is 19,200. Diba? Which is good. And then we have also some small packages, guys, that you can have kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao naghahanap ng transformation kit or they can afford. You know, so dito sa core pack namin, which is the Power Alkalit and Pure namin, 1,2 yung kikitain mo. Dito sa Essential Pack, you'll earn 1,800, which is very affordable siya. Nasa 5,000 lang siya. And of course, yung balance pack natin is 2,400. Now, aside from the 50%, guys, the company also will pay you the Yoli rewards when you enroll too. The same na mga tao na in-enroll mo, i-reward ka na naman ng company. Another compensation. So this is the video that na magi-explain siya sa Enroll too.
At Yoli, we want to help you earn commissions and receive free products as quickly as possible. That's why we have promotions to help you achieve success from the very first week in the business. Enroll more people using Yoli's amazing products so that you can cover the entire cost of your purchase. One of the privileges of being a Yoli member is the opportunity to earn free product with your referrals. The quickest way to earn free product is through our Enroll to Free to You program. Here's how it works. Enroll 2 or more customers and generate a minimum of 100 CV or commissionable volume points for each customer to qualify for this promotion. Max out at 400 CV to get up to $200 in what we call Yoli Rewards, which are essentially credits that you can use to get free product. Make sure to always refer 2 customers to earn Yoli Rewards and secure your free products. For any questions, contact us at 888-295-9009, email us at cs@yoli.com, or reach out to the person that shared this with you.
Yung enroll to, guys, binayaran ka ulit. So imagine mo kung ito yung kinuha mo, kumuha ka ng transformation kit, that's 15,000, right? Maka-enroll ka lang 2 tao. No? If bumili sila ng transformation kit just like what you did, kikita ka sa first order bonus ng 4,008 kada isa. So may 9,600 ka na. Plus babayaran ka pa ng Yoli Rewards na 9,600. So doon pa lang 19,200 na. Imagine, guys, kung sa business side titignan mo, naglagay ka ng 15,000, kumita ka ng 19,000. That's a good ROI. You know, ang succeeding nakita mo din, positive din yung cash flow mo. Kaya nagugustuhan natin talaga itong ganitong klaseng negosyo. Hindi malaki yung labas mo, na natutulungan mo yung tao maging healthy, and then yung kitaan maganda pa. Now, of course, meron kaming subscribe and save. Kasi yung mga tao nagsasubscribe, kasi consumable siya, nag-earn ka rin ng points every dollar or peso that you spend dito sa company. And then you can use those rewards, guys, na pambili mo ng product. Can you imagine? bibigyan ka ng incentive naman ng company, binibili-bili mo na yung produkto nila, bibigyan ka pa na ng rewards para magamit mo yung rewards pambili ng produkto mo. Alright? And then here's the thing ngayon, ang question nila, Chris, sa unang order lang yung nagbabayad. Paano kung nag-reorder yung mga customers? Meron ka bang kita doon? Meron. So, ito yung another compensation nila na babayaran ka doon sa for life ng mga customer mo na nagre-reorder. Okay? So, let me just play this video to explain it.
Are you ready to watch your business grow? Introducing our new customer loyalty bonus program. It's simple. The more customers and subscribers you bring in who keep buying their favorite products every month, the more you earn. Here's how it works. Earn a weekly bonus based on your current sales. The bonus percentage is determined by your sales tier from the previous month. We calculate this by considering the total orders from your customers and subscribers, excluding first-time orders. There are 3 bonus tiers. Tier 1 from 0 to $24.99 CV, qualifying you for bonuses of 20% in the following month. Tier 2 from $2,500 to $49.99 CV, qualifying you for bonuses of 25% in the following month. And Tier 3, 5,000 CV and above, qualifying you for bonuses of 30% in the following month. For example, let's suppose that in the previous month you qualified at the Tier 1 level, meaning you'll be paid a 20% bonus. Let's suppose that the current month's weeks look like this. In week 1, your customers and subscribers generated 500 CV, creating a $100 bonus. In week 2, 1,000 CV, creating a $200 bonus. In week 3, 1,500 CV, creating a $300 bonus. And in week 4, your customers and subscribers generated 2,000 CV, creating a $400 bonus. In this month, your customers and subscribers generated 5,000 CV for the month, meaning you'll have earned $1,000 in bonuses at Tier 1. Because your orders totaled 5,000 CV for this month, you'll jump to Tier 3 next month, earning a 30% bonus on the recurring orders of your personally enrolled subscribers and customers. Increase your orders each month to maximize your earnings. One effective way to maintain steady growth is to enroll every new customer in a monthly subscribe and save plan. There's an additional way to earn. The customer loyalty bonus also includes a personally sponsored member bonus override, which means you'll earn a percentage of the recurring customer volume from the members you've personally enrolled. The override bonus follows the same tier system. Tier 1 from 0 to $24.99 CV pays a 2.5% override bonus. Tier 2 from $2,500 to $49.99 CV pays a 5% override bonus. And Tier 3, 5,000 CV and above, pays a 7.5% override bonus. For example, if one of your personally sponsored members generates 10,000 CV this month, and based on last month's orders, is at Tier 1, you'd earn 2.5% or a $250 override bonus. At Tier 2, you'll earn 5% or a $500 override bonus. And at Tier 3, you would earn 7.5% or a $750 override bonus. As you can see, there are great opportunities for those who help their personally sponsored members grow their customer base. We love to reward those who help others grow. We're excited to reward your hard work in growing your Yoli business. If you have any questions, contact the person who introduced you to Yoli or reach out to us at 888-295-9009 or email us at cs@yoli.com.
All right. So guys, ang maganda dito sa ano natin sa Yoli kasi alam natin no, na yung internet andyan na eh. So we're not just attracting yung mga average people saka yung mga network marketers. We're trying to attract also yung mga influencers na sa social media, yung mga nag-YouTube, nag-TikTok. Maganda sa kanila to kasi marami sila mga followers and pinaka main goal naman talaga ng mga social media influencers guys is to monetize yung mga followers nila. So this is a good quick example, no? Kahit na yung bilhin lang nila yung 50 CB, yung dalawang product lang, 50 CB yan. Kung meron silang 1,000 customer, which is they have those kind of, you know, numbers of customer kasi marami yan eh, na ang mga micro, mga 50,000 pababa. Yung mga macro, mga 100,000. Tapos yung mga mega, nasa million na yon. So imagine guys, kung may 1,000 sila na customers, out of those tens and 10,000 nila, meron silang 50,000 volume, yung CB. Yung unang matatanggap nila dyan is 50% is $25,000 na. Okay, 50% ng 50 eh. And then that's all equivalent to 1.2 million. Imagine that, sa unang order. Kaya kung may makilala kayo ng mga influencers, start looking at it, introduce nyo sa kanila. Narinig niyo yung story ni Doc Weng. And then maganda dito, pag nag-repeat order yung mga customer na yun, let's just assume for discussion purposes, meron na naman 50,000, say 1,000 customers bumibili ng 50 CB, babayaran ngayon yung mga influencers ng 30%, which is 15,000 or 720,000. Month after month, pag nagre-reorder yung 1,000 customer nga 50 volume every month, imagine mo, meron silang residual na 720. Now, maganda, hindi pa tapos yun. Kung ikaw ang nag-sponsor doon sa influencers, meron ka 7.5%, which is 180,000 pesos na override mo kada buwan kung yung 1,000 customers, they continue to buy 50. Right? So, this is an amazing program, guys. So, ngayon, may isa pa kaming bonus, guys, na dinagdag dito. And for you na sa Pilipinas, familiar kay sa Shopee, sa Lazada, yung version namin sa Amerika, sa Canada, meron kaming Amazon. Now, actually, dito mo makikita na very generous yung company. Benta na ng kumpanya to eh. But again, gusto nilang i-share sa atin yung sales nila based sa mga top performer. So, there's a video na mag-i-explain on how you guys sa Pilipinas pwede mag-participate kasi I have several people or mga crossline friends ko dyan sa Pilipinas na nakakapag-participate sa Amazon na kahit na wala kayong Amazon dyan. Okay, so let me just play this video quick.
Introducing the new monthly performance bonus. We've reinvented the way we reward our top performing members each month. In this video, we'll explain how. With the rise in popularity of Amazon, Yoli took steps to protect our brand and help your business. We created one official Yoli Amazon store and eliminated unauthorized sales of our products on Amazon. This has created 3 exciting benefits for you. Number 1, we highlight Yoli's products and continue to build brand recognition on Amazon. Number 2, we price all products on Amazon at full retail while giving you and your members access to special wholesale pricing. And number 3, being on Amazon has created another revenue stream that we get to share with you. We recognize that one of the reasons Yoli products sell on Amazon is because of the incredible word of mouth and brand awareness you, our members, have created. It was a logical decision to take these profits and share them with our top performing Yoli members. Here is how to qualify for the new monthly performance bonus. Each bonus period will total up all orders from your new personally sponsored customers, subscribers, and members who enrolled during the period. The sales from each order of your new enrollees during the bonus period will be counted and totaled. We'll create a top 10 list based on these totals. The monthly performance bonus, funded by Amazon sales, will be distributed to these top 10 earners, with the top earner receiving the largest portion, the number 2 earner receiving the second largest portion, and so on. Please note that the sales from market-specific promotions, sponsorship changes, and other unconventional sales will not count toward the promotion. This bonus will be paid monthly, approximately 2 weeks after the bonus period ends. We are excited to reward you with this new Yoli monthly performance bonus program. If you have any further questions, reach out to the person who introduced you to Yoli or contact us at 888-295-9009 or email us at cs@yoli.com.
Alright guys, so ito yung mga result na nag-umpisa kasi itong Amazon monthly performance bonus noong April. But look at it, yung mga top 10 guys, sa screen ko sa right side, ito yung mga kinita nila. Yung number 10 lang 1,000 yung kinita in dollars, which is 48,000 pesos yan. Ang laki na. On top sa mga, kung ano yung kinikita mo ngayon, and whatnot, tsaka yung mga bonus na binigay nila na enroll to 50%. Dito guys, pwede kang kumita ng extra $1,000. Yan, si Jay Mendador ang number 1 sa amin noong April. And Jay made about 2,785 yan. Just sharing, can you imagine guys, panalo ka na dun sa health mo kasi na-transform ka at meron ka bang extra, na nire-rewardan ka ng company just sharing it. And then we did it again in May. Kasi ngayon June matatapos yung qualification ng July 5. So, nag-participate ako nung May. I'm on the number 8. But look at this one. Si Jay na naman yung number 1. Number 10 again is 1,000. 101. So, ang maganda dito guys, everybody have a chance to participate. Si Alice Policarpio nasa Montreal to. So she made into number 7. You know, so nakita nyo guys sa May, puro Pilipino lahat dito ang nag-top. We have Arlene Verdad. Actually, si Arlene nandito sa Zoom call natin. Nasa number 5 siya. Magkano bang kinita ng 1,436? Imagine that. Di ba? On top niya sa kinita mo, binibigay pa ng company. Napaka-generous ng Yoli guys, and we are so blessed to be part of this company. So ngayon, just like I said, meron tayong 14 ways. I don't have time to explain all this one. Pero in-explain na namin yung some of it. But if you're interested of knowing more about Yoli, especially on the business side, please get back to the person who invited you sa presentation na to. Magtanong kayo. You know, walang mawawala sa inyo guys. Lalo na kung gusto niyo maging consumer lang, we have a money back guarantee on that. And of course, no, pag nag-decide kayo to lock arms with us, we are here to support and help you. Okay, so all you need to do guys, mamili lang kayo ng package kung gusto niyo sa business, mag-transformation kayo, mag-share pack kayo, or mag-family pack kayo. Ano? And then yung business namin guys, we use technology right now. Like Zoom, tsaka yung mobile app. Nandito na lahat. Yung mga piniresent ko sa inyo na video, nandito na sa app. It's part of your system already para hindi kayo mahirapan. And then of course, yung mentoring and coaching namin sa inyo is part of it to support you. And all you need to do guys, mag-decision lang kayo kung gusto niyo maging consumer, gumamit lang kayo ng product, or gusto niyo mag-business, become a member and be part ng kumpanya at sa group namin. So, yun lang. And all you need to do is, you can fill up the application offline or online. And then just get back to the person who invited you. Let me stop sharing my screen and to thank everyone for joining us, especially yung mga guests natin, and especially kay Dr. Rowena, Rubiol, Guys, let's give big round of applause to Doctora for sharing her story. So thank you so much, Doc. Matagal na ako napaiyak mo ako ulit.
Salamat po.